is time for us to venture to another country this month.
Where are we going?
Into this box.
Oh.
It's time for another
fun.
Universal Yums.
Yeah, Universal Yums, which we had a lot of fun with last time.
And apparently we are going to a place where the hills are alive.
That's scary.
No, I think they meant like Sound of Music, not like horror movie. Although for October, I'll let you open it.
Okay. Well,
Halloween is later this week.
At least when we're recording this, yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, that makes more sense.
Oh, Austria. Not a scary place where the hills are alive. Got it.
Oh, and Germany. So this month is Austria.
Yeah.
We're going to Klagenfurt, Wachu, Vienna, Salzburg. Ooh. Oh, and we still have to pick our best, second best, worst, and weirdest.
Maybe. Last time we didn't really fully do it.
No, we're just going to eat snacks.
Yeah. That's really the most important part.
Yeah. And just like last month, we have our little guidebook. Oh, we have facts about Mozart, the local language.
Oh, yeah.
Trivia. Ooh. Oh, and then there's the listings of all the snacks. All right, Kelly's paprika chips. They are paprika potato chips.
All right.
I always feel like they said me potato chips to snack on that are like interesting flavors that I would like. Those are paprika potato chips. Oops. All right, should I just try them or are you going to try one with me?
I'll try them. I'll try anything.
Paprika potato chips. Smells good. I don't like those. It's not the paprika. It's almost like the oil is a different oil.
Funny enough, I was going to say the opposite. I don't like the paprika, but I actually think the potato itself tastes like a good potato. It tastes almost like
it's a better quality potato than potato chips here in the States. But it tastes like the oil is a different kind of oil than what we traditionally use, and I think that's getting me.
To me, it almost tastes like a baked potato.
Okay.
It has more of that starchy white flavor that you would get out of like a baked potato.
When you say that, it makes them better. I don't think it was that I didn't like them on the first bite because I think I was expecting something.
Take one more.
Go for it. I think I was expecting something more familiar to what we have here in the way of a potato chip. And that is the first mistake to enjoying international foods, is expecting it to be something you know. You're right, it is more like a baked potato. The star in this potato chip is the potato, not the topping.
Oddly, as someone who doesn't like chips, I actually kind of like them. I think I want to dip them in something, though.
So there you have it. The person who would live all day on American chips doesn't like them. The person who doesn't like American potato chips is like, I'll have those. There's your paprika chips.
Snips. Kelly's Snips.
Kelly Snips.
Yeah, Kelly. They smell good. They smell like peanuts, like peanut butter, like the. Yeah.
Snips. It's a peanut butter cheese doodle, minus the cheese. Take the cheese off of the cheese doodle and then put peanut butter instead. I like those.
I do too.
It's a #1 selection. Yes, it is. Not sure how I feel about banana candy bars.
I'm pretty sure I don't love the thought of it, but...
Oh, it's actually shaped like a banana. That's interesting. Oh, it's a banana marshmallow. You want to break your piece off there? Oh, you gotta actually break it. Is it marshmallow or like nougat? What is this? Oh, it smells like fake banana. Okay. Ooh, where's that sweetness coming from? It's neither banana nor
A
chocolate.
dark place.
Oh, that just poisoned my mouth.
No, I don't like anything about that. It is the most artificial banana I have ever tasted. It is hyper sweet. And, oh.
So, interestingly, when I just glanced at the facts,
That it's
banana,
gross.
no, but banana is Austria's second most popular fruit, only behind apples. And oddly enough, as many of us would imagine, bananas cannot be grown in Austria. So I wonder if they got like banana imported in ways that this is what it tasted like super sweet banana concentrate. Like,
Yes, it's like if you had a banana extract to add flavor.
you know, it's kind of like
the
also,
whole bottle.
but it's like apples are to applesauce as what bananas are to this. So if the only way you were able to eat bananas was like the equivalent of applesauce, you would think this is what a banana tastes like. Oh, this one's a no. This one, what's my category for no?
Yeah, that is, of all of the things we've had for 2 boxes, that is my least favorite thing.
Whew. Next up, Nut Joe,
Yeah, I mean,
which is a Haselnuss waffle.
can't go wrong with hazelnut. I don't think.
I mean, you should say that after you eat it, not before, because maybe you can go wrong with
True.
hazelnut.
Okay, so it is definitely a wafer.
Let's see. It melts so easily too.
I actually don't love that one as much as I thought I would. I think it's the chocolate. Is that what you were saying?
The chocolate has a sweetness to it that in this case overpowers the...
It almost has like an artificial sweet. It almost
Yeah.
tastes kind of like a Boston cream donut.
Okay.
Where you're like, oh, that's sweet. It doesn't taste like hazelnut.
It's definitely one of those types of flavors that makes you go real quick, like
Yeah.
it's overly sweet.
It's not my favorite hazelnut candy.
Remember when I said at the beginning you shouldn't say you can't mess up hazelnut until you've eaten it?
Maybe you have.
Lesson learned.
Yeah.
They knew this box must have been for the traveling husbands because they gave us 2 of these. Milk wafflets.
Dankeschön.
Ah, bitteschön. Is a milk wafflet like a tiny waffle?
Oh.
It's cute. Look, see, they fly with a cow on them.
Okay, so on first hit, it's very sweet smelling.
Oh, yep.
It smells like,
Oh.
okay, before I taste it, I haven't had strawberry quick
Yep.
in 30 years, but I have
Or
a
for
feeling...
those of you who remember when Lifesavers came out with the cream savers,
Oh.
the strawberry one. All right, ready? Let's go enjoy this.
It is less sweet on taste than smell.
Yes. I feel like my grandfather used to have something like these in the house that I used to like. Neither here nor there on this. It's very reminiscent tasting to me, but I don't know exactly why. Like I said, I feel like I've had something like this before, but it's nothing that I would grab in the store and be like, I want that. It's not bad, it's just not flavors I like. I'm not a strawberry candy person. Or
No, me neither.
I wonder if they have other flavor wafflets.
I'm sure they do. And I probably
I-
wouldn't buy this flavor again.
No, but I want all my food to be served to me now as wafflets.
Well, maybe one day.
Kastner gingerbread cookies.
I do love gingerbread.
Me too.
And
These
I like this-
gingerbread. Oh no, we had the grape cookie last month.
Yes.
The grape seed.
And this one has nuts too, it says?
With nuts.
I want to smell this one.
Ooh, it's slightly different gingerbread.
Hmm.
It smells really nice and spiced. You want to break a piece off for yourself?
Sure, I'd love to.
Ooh, it's nice and soft.
Yeah, the bottom layer looks like it was paper, but it's not.
It's almost like a wafer. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, let's try it.
You eat the inside? Yeah, you do. It's
Yeah, you're
covered.
helping. Yep.
Alright.
Oh, I really like
I really
that.
like this one.
Uh-huh.
Wow. There's like a citrus.
It almost has like orange rind in it. Mm-hmm. Ooh,
that's exactly what it
delicious.
tastes like. There's like orange rind in there. Ooh, that's really good.
Candied orange peels. They're right. The season of gingerbread should never end. This is my new favorite gingerbread.
From a package in Austria.
If anyone's Austrian and has this gingerbread recipe, our address is down below. Please mail it to me.
That's actually really yummy. That's so far the things we've tried. That's my favorite.
That's really good.
Because I would definitely eat that whole thing, and it's a ton of flavor.
I want the recipe. Address for the traveling husbands.
Sure.
In the description down below.
You probably just could, Google one. But
I want someone's family recipe. That's amazing.
Oh, that's different. That's delicious.
That is really good.
All right, so next is the Mondo Regal, which we think is almond, but
It says it's almond. The book tells you.
Oh,
It's an almond cream-filled wafer with milk, chocolate, and almond coating.
well then, go for it. I don't think we need to eat the whole thing,
Speak for yourself.
but I will let you take your half.
I guess they technically speak some German in Austria, so Dankeschön.
Bitteschön.
Ooh, it smells very almondy, marzipan-y. You didn't even smell it. It tastes like mandel bread covered in chocolate, which is exactly what it is.
That
I'm
is
now convinced
delicious.
Mandel bread is almond bread.
I could finish that all right now. I'm not,
It's melting in my fingers.
and I have the wrapper, and I actually want to save it for later. The almond taste in there is really strong. It's sweet. The chocolate I almost don't really get too much.
No, the chocolate is very textural. It just disappears there, and that almond takes over. That is, wow.
Yeah, that's yummy.
good.
I would buy that as like a snack.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
A Bobby caramel bar. I don't know how we're gonna split this one.
I'll just take a bite. Probably
Yeah.
easier.
Can I break it? Let's
Yeah,
see.
usually you can break it over here.
Ooh, it's a nice chocolate too. It looks nice in there. Oh, yep, that breaks nicely. There you go.
Wow, it's actually a really good caramel smell.
Oh wow, it is, but it's not. I thought it was gonna be like a caramel nougat, which it
I don't know how
says
the
it's a
texture is.
nougat, but it looks more like a fluffy caramel instead of a, stringy melted caramel.
Yeah,
This looks
yeah.
really. Oh, it smells really good too. Let's go for it.
I like this.
Me too. It's almost got a nutty caramel nougat flavor. It's really good. This one's not going to have any leftovers. All right, it is time for the official Yum Awards. Time to tally up our best, second best, worst, and weirdest. You ready?
Oh, I know a couple.
All right, so we're gonna go right down the list here. Your Kelly's Paprika potato chips.
Overall, like the potato taste, because they actually tasted like a baked potato, and I remember that and enjoyed that.
Mondo.
I enjoyed that very
Regal.
much. I would buy that if I saw it in a store. I really
So-
enjoyed it.
The Snips, Kelly Snips. Where do you rank that?
I wouldn't go crazy for them again, but they were fine.
All right. I know where this one's gonna land. Big Banana.
The worst.
The worst.
I mean, the weirdest, the worst. No.
Your milk wafflets.
Thought they were fine.
They were kind of weird.
I'm sort of indifferent. They're very sweet, but then no flavor. They smelled very sweet, but had no flavor.
So for me, they go down towards worst and weirdest. They weren't the worst item in the box by any means, Big Banana, but they definitely fall to the bottom of the things I liked in that box. So we'll just put a worst and weirdest. The Bobby Caramel Bar.
Okay, that was the caramel one, obviously.
That was...
Because it's the caramel bar.
I'm going for a best on that. I really like that. You described it as Milky Way, and I said Milky Way,
Yeah.
but not the texture. I like that one.
It wasn't my favorite, but it was certainly above the others.
All right, so it's somewhere best, second best.
Yeah.
And next up, the item that I wondered if something can be best and weirdest. It can win 2 categories like that. The gingerbread cookie.
All right, I enjoyed it, and I would like to look into if there's a like you said, like a homemade version of this, because it's obviously a cake cookie version.
It was nice textural because it was cake over that layer, whatever it was on the bottom, that made it into a cookie because it almost encased itself. So again, if anyone there knows how to make those Austrian gingerbread cookies with candied orange peel.
Yeah, I bet it's delicious.
Yeah, our address is down below. Please send us that recipe. Thank you. Also, info@thetravelinghusbands.net. Feel free to email us the recipe.
There you go, because I did enjoy that one. But I would like to try like you said, a homemade version
instead of a processed version.
Delicious.
Yeah. And the last item for the official Yum Awards, Nut Joe Haselnuss Waffle. Just to recap, Ed said you can't mess up anything hazelnut.
Well, sometimes I guess you can.
Oh wait, does that mean sometimes Ed's not always right about everything?
No, I'm always right.
You were just less right about this one. Okay. Worst. Not the worst thing in the box, but definitely not one of the best.
So it was better than banana, but...
Shame on you, Big Banana.
But shame. But just barely.
I will say we appreciated everything in our Universal Yums box this month. We like experimenting with all different kinds of food. Just at the end of the day, everyone has their favorites and least favorites. And you are our least favorite, Big Banana.
Yeah.
Such a weird treat. It's unique. I will say that I've never had anything like it. If we are in Austria, I probably will buy something else instead.
Probably.
What are those candies that have all the different fruit shapes?
Oh.
We didn't just take a pause to Google runts.
Yeah.
I Googled it. It's runts. Banana runts.
I'm hoping someone out there is like, oh, I love that candy. It's one of my favorites. And I say, oh.
Yes, actually, if Big Banana is a candy you've had before and you enjoy it, or you have a story about Big Banana, please feel free to tell us in the comments down below because we're interested. Is this really something that Austrian children and adults alike like to snack on as a candy bar?
Yeah.
Because it's it did not fit the profile of the rest of the items in our Yum box this month. It stood out as the worst item in our Yum box. And the weirdest.
Why did you like this?
So please let us know if you've ever had that. But if you love watching us take an adventure around the world through food, be sure to give this video a giant thumbs up.
Yeah.
Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every month when we get our Universal Yums box.
Good idea. And take the link to the video and share.
Because we need to find someone who's had Big Banana candy bars.